Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to copy an instance component in Framer. This is incredibly useful when you want to duplicate sections of your website without rebuilding them from scratch, saving you tons of time in your design workflow. To get started, open your browser and navigate to framer.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Framer dashboard where all your projects are stored. From the dashboard, locate and click on the website or project you want to edit. This will open up your design workspace where you can make changes to your site. You'll see your canvas along with various panels and tools that Framer provides. Now direct your attention to the left side of your screen and click on Layers. The Layers panel is your organizational hub, showing you the entire structure of your website in a hierarchical view. It's where you can see and select every element on your page. Within the Layers panel, click on Desktop. This ensures you're working with the desktop version of your site, which is important because different breakpoints may have different layouts and components. For this example, let's say we want to copy the Hero section. Click on Hero in the Layers panel to highlight it. When you click it, you'll see it becomes selected, and you'll likely see a blue outline around it on your canvas as well. Next, right-click on the highlighted Hero component. This will bring up a context menu with several options. You'll see choices like Copy, Copy Style, Copy Fill, Copy Link, and more. Each of these options serves a different purpose. Copy Style only copies the styling properties, Copy Fill copies just the background or fill properties, and Copy Link creates a shareable link to that specific component. For our purposes today, click on Copy. This will copy the entire component, including all its content, styling, structure, and nested elements. Everything about that Hero section is now stored in your clipboard. Now to paste this copied component, simply click anywhere within the Layers panel of your website where you want the duplicate to appear. Once you've positioned your cursor, press Ctrl-V on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, you'll use Command-V instead. The copied Hero section will instantly appear in your layers, and you'll see it on your canvas as well. And that's it, you've successfully copied an instance component in Framer. This technique works with any component in your project, making it incredibly efficient to replicate design elements across your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.